Here is my message to the Utah officials involved in Tim Ballard's scandal. You are now exposed. You see, when you disrupt order in a system, and here I'm borrowing from the Chateliers principle, when you disrupt order in systems, whether it be in a body or community or between countries, a shift must occur to attain a new balance. And that's what you have made. You thought you would be underground forever. No. And congratulations. This will remind those who are watching you. You cannot harm people and continue to get away with it. It catches up with you. I hope you're having a nice day.